Environmentalism is the belief and movement that cares deeply about protecting nature and our planet from harm caused by humans. It pushes for clean air, water, forests, animals, and a healthy earth so future generations can enjoy it too. Simple as that. Treat the environment well, because it's home for all of us. You see it every day in small ways. Recycling your plastic bottles, using reusable bags at the store, choosing to bike or take public transport instead of driving, turning off lights to save energy, or supporting companies that make eco-friendly products. Many people plant trees, join clean-up days at beaches or parks, or push for laws that cut pollution and fight climate change. It's about little choices adding up to big protection for nature. This caring started growing strong in the 1960s and 1970s. A book called Silent Spring by Rachel Carson woke many people up to how chemicals like pesticides were killing birds and harming the environment. That sparked big changes. Earth Day began in 1970. Governments made clean air and water laws, and groups like Greenpeace fought against threats like whaling or nuclear testing. Before that, ideas came from thinkers who loved nature and warned about destroying it. Today, environmentalism covers everything from stopping climate change, rising temperatures from gases like CO2, to saving endangered animals, reducing plastic in oceans, and switching to clean energy like solar or wind. The main simple goals are protect and restore nature, so plants, animals and ecosystems stay healthy. Use resources wisely. Don't waste or pollute so much that we run out. Fight climate change by cutting emissions from cars, factories and power plants. Make sure everyone, especially poorer communities hit hardest by pollution or storms, gets fair protection. Live sustainably. Meet our needs today without ruining tomorrow's world. Good things come from it. Cleaner air means fewer health problems like asthma. Protected forests and oceans keep biodiversity alive and help control floods or storms. Renewable energy creates jobs and reduces dependence on oil. Many countries now have parks, wildlife reserves, and international agreements like the Paris Accord to limit warming. Awareness has grown hugely. Billions recycle, companies go green, and youth movements demand faster action. Tough sides exist too. Some say it can slow economic growth if rules cost too much for businesses. Others worry extreme views might ignore human needs or lead to high energy prices. Climate change keeps worsening. 2025 was one of the hottest years, with more extreme weather like heat waves, floods and wildfires. Global temperatures are on track to stay near records through 2029 WMO updates, and the world still emits too much carbon. Inequality links here. The richest people and countries cause most emissions, top 10%, linked to huge shares of carbon from investments and lifestyles, while poorer groups suffer most from droughts, rising seas or storms. World Inequality Report 2026 shows this climate wealth gap clearly. In 2026, environmentalism pushes forward amid challenges. Global growth holds steady at 3.3% this year. IMF January 2026 update. Helped by tech like AI and clean energy investments. But trade tensions and short-term priorities sometimes push climate lower on lists. Global risks. Report 2026 notes environmental risks dropping in short-term focus. Trends include more adaptation, building stronger against floods/storms, nature-based solutions like planting mangroves, and calls for fair transitions so workers in old industries get new jobs. Movements grow for less waste electric vehicles, and protecting oceans/forests. Environmentalism is simply loving and caring for our shared home, the Earth. It inspires action to fix pollution, save species, and slow warming so everyone can thrive. It balances human progress with nature's health, but needs strong, fair steps to win against big problems. Which part of environmentalism feels most real to you? Recycling and small daily choices, worries about climate extremes, pushing for clean energy, or the link to fairness and inequality? Share your thoughts in the comments. Honest talks make these ideas clearer. If this easy explanation helped, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of big movements and ideas.